Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of joining Amazon Prime Student, a fantastic opportunity for students to save on their shopping and enjoy various benefits. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before you begin the registration process, ensure that you are eligible for Amazon Prime Student. You must be a verified student with a valid educational institution email address. Typically, this includes those enrolled in colleges or universities. Step 2. Go to the Amazon Prime Student page. Visit the official Amazon website and navigate to the Prime Student page. You can easily find this by searching for Amazon Prime Student in your preferred search engine or by entering the URL directly into your browser. Step 3. Start your free trial. Once you're on the Prime Student page, look for the option to start your free trial. Click on it to proceed. As a student, you're often entitled to a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime, so take advantage of this offer. Step 4. Sign in or create an Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Click on the Create Your Amazon Account option and fill in the required information. Step 5. Verify your student status. After logging in, you will be prompted to verify your student status. Enter your educational institution email address. Amazon will send a verification email to this address to confirm your enrollment status. Check your email and follow the instructions provided to complete this step. Step 6. Enjoy your benefits. Once your student status is verified, you'll gain access to all the benefits of Amazon Prime, including free 2-day shipping, Prime Video, Prime Music, and exclusive deals for students. Start exploring and make the most of your membership. Step 7. Keep track of your membership. Remember, your Amazon Prime student membership will continue for a total of 4 years, or until you complete your degree, whichever comes first. Make sure to keep track of your status and any renewal dates. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy saving!